Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about some of the points relevant to blockchain, and those points are protocols, the set of rules that the protocol are providing to you, the coins and the tokens. So these are all the things that I'm going to be discussing in this video. So let's get into the screen. Now you can see here that I'm present in this website. So the first thing that I'm going to be discussing is the protocol. So protocol are nothing but the set of rules that will be helpful in order to process the data. All right. So these protocols could be the HTTP, HTTPS, and some other database protocols that you can search online. So these are just the set of rules in order to process the data. So in the case of blockchain, so the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, these are all the protocols that will basically define the rules. So what are these kind of rules? So here are these rules. So you can see that how the peers will communicate, this will also be decided by these protocols. How the authentication will be done, this is also be decided by the protocol. Or how the mining will be done and how the reward will be given to the miner and how much reward will be given. So these are all the rules that will be defined in these protocols. And one thing that you also need to keep in mind is that for Bitcoin protocol, the rules that will be defined in the Bitcoin protocol will be different in the Ethereum protocol, and the Ethereum protocol rules will also be different in the Bitcoin protocol. So every protocol has different kind of rules relevant to their technology. So not every protocol has the same kind of rule, but they have different kind of rules that are mentioned in it, and they basically performed in order to differentiate themselves from other protocols, right? So this is all about the protocols. I hope you understood it. Now there is another point, that what is coins. So basically coin is a protocol will provide you a coin in which you can to make the transaction. Like in the case of Bitcoin protocol, you will be making they will provide you a coin by the name of Bitcoin. All right, so the protocol name is the Bitcoin and the coin name is also the Bitcoin, right? So the protocol will provide you a coin through which you can make the transaction. Like with this Bitcoin coin, you can make the transaction. Similarly with the Ethereum, so the Ethereum will provide you a kind of coin through which you can make the transaction, right? So in the case of Ethereum, Ether coin will be provided to you, right? So if I go here, like in the coin market cap, here I will show you that what are the Ether coins and what are the tokens. So in the later on in this video, I will also be showing you the tokens, but first of all, let's go to the coins. I have filtered it. Let's go to the add filter. Now let's go to all cryptocurrencies, and here is the coin. So let's click on this coin and show the results. Now you can see here that for the Bitcoin, this is BTC, Ethereum, this is ETH, the Binance, BNB, Solana, Sol. So these are all the basically the coins that the protocol is providing to you, and these are the prices of it relevant to the price, what you can say, the ups and downs of these coins, that how they performed and what they are doing. All right, so this is 1 hour details, 24 hours, 7 days. These are all the things that you can read. And basically my point is this, that basically these are all the coins that will be provided to you by a certain protocol. I hope you understood it. Now let's take a look at the tokens. That what are the tokens? So tokens are basically a set of what you can say entity or any kind of service that will be provided to you by a particular organization or shop or any kind of service. Let's take a look at this. Let's say you go to the shop, you give them the money, and in return, they will give you a cake or any kind of service or the product that you want. All right. So this is a traditional way in which you will dealing with, but here is another approach also. So let's say you go to the shop and you give them the money, like $10, and in return, they will not give you the cake. Instead, they will give you the tokens. Right? So like for $10, they will give you 10 tokens. And with these 10 tokens, you can buy the cake, you can buy the sweets or any kind of product that you want to buy from this shop. All right. So this is all about the token. So now the question arises that what is the benefit of the tokens? So the benefit of the token is that you don't need to take the cash every time with yourself. you don't need to and there are like the company or the shop will provide you some kind of prizes also for those tokens, and you can claim those prizes if you have these kind of tokens. All right, so this is also the benefit of it. So basically the token will be provided to you, and this token, with the help of this token, you can buy any kind of product or service from the shop. And there are multiple companies that are providing these kind of tokens through which you can buy their services. So now let's go to the what you can say cryptocurrency, what you can say coin market cap. And inside this, if I go to the all cryptocurrencies, and then after that let's go to the tokens, not to the coins. Now you can see here, this is the USDT, this is the USDC coin, this is Chainlink, Shiba, Uniswap. These are all the tokens that will be basically providing you the service or the product in exchange of some bitcoins. Like you will give them some bitcoins, they will provide you some kind of tokens, and with the help of these tokens you will be buying any kind of product or service. So yeah, this is all about the protocol, the coins, and what are the tokens that are used in it. So I hope you liked it. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.